Hello viewers, I am going to make today girls hair tie or hairband, and for this I am using these two colors. These are acrylic wool of 3 ply each and 3 mm crochet for that. First of all, I'll make string of double yarn at least 12 inches long, that is almost 1 foot for a girl's head, that is appropriate. So I have made it double and making chain stitches or simple stitch for a string of 12 inches long. Keep the hand loose, don't tighten it. Like this I'll make chain of 12 inches long. Let me complete, then I'll show you. Required length is attained. The normal hairband is of almost same measurement. It's same. So let me start next. Let us measure how much length is this. It's almost 14 inches. I had counted the chain stitches. These are 62 in number. Let me show you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60 and 61. This is the last chain stitch. 61 it's giving measurement of 12 inches. Let me do next. After completing the green string with double yarn, now I will add second color, that is peach orange. I will add it like this. Simple knot. Bring out this thread. Pull out one chain from that. This is automatic knot. Now we will make first 5 single crochet. This is single crochet. One chain, one loop, and again pull out the loop from both. This is single crochet. Again one single crochet. You have to hold it with very precaution. It slips out of hand. 4 and 5. Now for bracelet, I'll make shell stitch or nut stitch. For that 4 chain stitches you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one loop, yarn over, and in the base this chain, and in the center, that is called base, you have to pass the hook, pull out the yarn, drop this 2 loops. One loop we have got, again you have to drop out of these. Now attach this with the base chain after giving a space and pull out the yarn. This is the shell stitch or nut stitch, and in our childhood my mom and grandmother used to call it kaju dana. You can also say in simple language kaju dana. This is not difficult, very easy for beginners also. They can just take the hook in their hand and start while watching this video. Once more I'll teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop in the base chain, pass the hook, pull out the yarn, one chain from 2 loops and other chain from 2 loops. Now attach it. Like this, you have to complete all through this string. After coming to the end, I did 4 single crochet. Now for turning, I will do one more single crochet here. Again single crochet. One more for giving it proper U shape like this. Now again 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 single crochet. We have done this. Now again, as the previous row, we will complete this line in the same pattern. I'll make shell stitch, or that is nut picot stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, take out the hook and loop from the base like this. Make one loop, again make one loop. One chain we have got. In the second stitch I will put it. Take out the yarn. In next slip stitch. Like this we will complete this. Both rows are completed. This is front side and this is back side. Now to join this, I have put elastic here because if the hairband is tight, it can stretch accordingly for wearing purpose, and I have put double elastic to make it strong. One edge I have sewed here with thread and needle, and other edge I will sew after finishing these 5 single stitches. In the end, we will put 5 single stitches like this as before. So one single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 and 4, and to give it U shape for turning, I'll put more than 2 or 3 stitches in one base only. 3 already done. Next is 4th single crochet. We'll see if it is joining very easily. Yes, making a U shape. So I'll bring the yarn and pull it directly. It's a single stitch or slip stitch. Now I will cut the yarn. Just to give it finishing. Pull it at the back side. Tie it here with a knot. Cut the yarn. Now the band is complete. This thread is visible. Let me hide it. It's okay now. Now I will stitch the other side also. With stitching needle and thread. Like this I will complete and then show you the ready hairband. Band is complete. Let us measure. Size is same. This is for stretching. We can also decorate it with beads or stones or make small dots with black color or anything else. Since with crochet it would have been very difficult to insert the crochet and bring out the yarn, so I'm using needle here. Job is finished now. I'm showing it on the face of my doll. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video. Okay, bye till then.